Do you want a treatment that helps you stay forever 21? A treatment that doesn't just make your skin look better, but helps it behave younger. Hello, this is Dr. Hojun Yang from DR.Yoon Clinic. Today, I'm going to explain Novastem Stem Cell Therapy, a treatment that many of you have been asking about. Let's start with what it actually is. Novastem is a treatment where we take your warm blood concentrate stem cells and regenerate components and inject them back into your body. Simply, it's a way of maximizing your body's warm regenerative potential and using it where it matters the most. Now, let's talk about how it works. After drawing your blood, it goes through a specialized process that separates and concentrates the cell-involved regeneration. Here's the key point. This is not just regular blood. It contains a much higher concentration of stem cells, especially CD34 plus hematopoietic stem cells. According to available data, these cells can be concentrated by several dozen times, reaching tens of millions of cells in total. These cells play a critical role in your body's natural healing process. When tissue is damaged, they send signals that trigger repair and regeneration. So, instead of just adding hydration or temporary volume, this treatment works by encouraging actual tissue recovery. Another important advantage is safety. Because it uses your warm blood, the risk is allergy reaction or foreign body response is relatively low. It's your warm biologic being reintroduced in more concentrated form. There are two ways to apply this treatment. The first is intravenous injection, which is often used for overall condition improvement and recovery. The second is direct facial injection, which focuses on skin regeneration, elasticity, and texture improvement. Especially with facial injections, the concentration of regenerative cells can be higher than PRP, which may lead to stronger regenerative responses in tissues. However, there is something important to understand. This is not a treatment that gives you instant results like fillers. You won't see immediate volume change. Instead, your skin gradually improves over time. It's a slower process, but it targets the condition of the skin itself. Also, since this is an injection-based procedure, temporary swelling, bruising, or small bumps can occur. So if you have an important event coming up, it's better to plan ahead. To summarize, Novastem Cell Therapy uses your warm blood to concentrate stem cell and regenerate factors and helps restore and repair skin and tissues at a deeper level. Unlike treatment like Rejuran or Juvelook that stimulates regeneration, Novastem works by utilizing the actual cell response for regeneration. In the end, it's not about which treatment is better. The choices depend on whether your skin needs recovery or actual improvement. If you are unsure about the best approach for your skin, I recommend making a decision based on an actual diagnosis of your current condition. Thank you.